If you read these books, no matter who you are guaranteed to fall in love with reading. Hey all, welcome back to my channel Read with Bindu. Here we talk about books, reviews, recommendations and all bookish things. If that seems like your jam, hang around. So for today's video, I thought about doing some beginner friendly books that will make anyone fall in love with reading, or even if someone is in a reading slump, it's been a long break since their last reading, these books will help them get back into the reading. I've been getting a lot of messages on my Instagram asking me to recommend some beginner friendly books, so I thought why not do a full length video about it. Let's dive into this. I've divided the books into multiple genres. I've recommended one single book for every single genre. All these are beginner friendly, so you need not worry about it. First up, we have thriller. In the thriller, I have The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides. Again, this is very popular book. This is about this woman who is in an institution, psychological institution, and then there comes our main character who is a doctor who deals with her. The entire story is the dynamic between them. It's so gripping, it's such a page turner. You definitely have to check this out if you are into thrillers. The next genre that I have is romance. In the romance genre, I have the book Better Than the Movies by Lynn Painter. This is such a cute rom-com. It just flows. This doesn't have any dark elements or any twisted or morally grey elements. So it's a fun read for the beginners. The main characters are so cute. The dynamic is so intriguing. It's just you love them so much. You fall in love with both the characters. So if you're someone who is into romance, do pick this up. Next genre I have is Dystopia. The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins is the topmost book in this genre. You have to read this. This revolves around a main character, Katniss Everdeen, who is a girl in a district in this country or a world, you can say. Every year there is something called as Hunger Games, where people from each district, children from each district are selected and they're set into an arena where they have to kill each other in multiple games. This is so gripping, so raw, so thrilling. You have to pick this up if you're someone who is interested in the dystopia and all these kinds of genres. Okay, next up I have general fiction. In this I'm going to recommend A Man Called Ove by Frederick Buckman. This is again, it has so many good tropes like found family, grief, getting over the grief, getting over your trauma and healing. This book revolves around this old person who is a grumpy old man, and then there comes a new neighbors to the next door flat beside him, and how he gets in relation with them and how his life changes from then on. That's what the entire story about. I don't want to give any spoilers. This is not a plot driven book, but this is a character driven book. It is so warm and cozy. It just flows, the entire books. Please do pick it up. Next genre I have is historical fiction. In this I am going to recommend the book Thief by Markus Zusak. Let me warn you before, this is very heartbreaking book. This is so painful. It's gonna make you cry in many ways. And also this book is literally narrated by Death. I'm not even kidding. Death narrates this book. This is so intriguing. It revolves around Nazi Germany. That's the story about this little girl who is surviving this Nazi world. I don't want to give any spoilers, but if you're someone who's into historical fiction, this is somewhere you can begin with. Next up I have sad books or the heartbreaking books. For this I have The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. I read a lot of sad books, let me tell you, but this one, it is very good. It is very convenient for the beginners also, because you get in touch with the characters in such a way that it feels like they are your own friends, or you feel yourselves in those characters. You can put yourselves in their shoes. Also, Khaled Hosseini writes about these characters and Afghanistan in such a way that you just teleported to Afghanistan and those characters are right beside you. That's how you feel. Definitely pick this book up if you're into such kind of genre. Next up I have fantasy. In the fantasy, again, there are so many books, but most of the books are series. You have to read like 4 books, 5 books, even 10 books in certain series. But this one is a standalone. It's A Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. This is such a beautiful, dreamy book. This is about this circus where every year this is magical circus which goes around into multiple towns, and they organize in a tent where people come and participate in multiple games. Throughout this game, there are 2 main characters of us, one male character and one female character. The romance between them, that's what the entire story about. This entire world It's so magical, so dreamy. I just want to teleport myself into that world and don't want to come back ever. Do pick it up if this seems like a jam. Next up, I have domestic fiction. In this, I have a recommendation. It ends with us by Colleen Hoover. Let me warn you before, this is not a romance book. It is a very serious book about domestic violence. So if you're someone who is sensitive to such topics, do read the trigger warnings. Make sure you are in the right mind and only then dive into this book. This is about these two characters, Ryle and Lily, who fall in love with each other and get married. But then it turns out Ryle is actually toxic and he abuses Lily. It's about the entire journey of Lily, how she gets out of the circle of this abuse, how she breaks the cycle of abuse, and how she's healing. That's what the entire story about. It is the writing is very easy, so it's very easy for the beginners also, and it's just a page turner. You just want to finish it, you just want to know what's happening next and next. And the discussions this book puts forward, we need to have more and more such discussions in the world. So please do read this, but read the trigger warnings before picking up this book. Okay, so these are the 8 book recommendations I have for beginners or also someone if you are in a reading slump. Do let me know in the comments if you have read any of these books. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye. For beginner friendly, these are the okay, so the